This is minus 0 point something. This value has come out as this. Let me write it here. It is minus 0.2988. Okay. Now to make it positive, it is minus 1 plus 1 minus 0.2988. Subtracting it from 1, 0, 0, this is 0.2988. Okay, subtracting it, this is minus sign here, this is plus. So it is 2, 1 carry 1, is 0 here, 10 minus 0, okay. And then 8 here, nothing. So this is 10, 0, 1, 0 is 0. No carry further, so this is the same value here, right? 0.80. This has come out, okay. 80 this one, so this is positive value now. 1 bar, this is 1 bar, 0.8012. This is the value of this. We have to see anti-log of this. It is giving us 1 bar, 0.8012. Now let us take what is the anti-log of this value. Therefore 10b b minus c by 2, 10b minus c by 2 is equal to this value. So let me take for the anti-log of 80.80. Okay, this is 0.80. First column. Okay, 0.80. This is 0.80b. First column. Okay, so this gives us 53.24. It is 53 or 63. Let me further check it because there is misprinting here. It's 63, I think. Under the 80. Under 80 point, this is first one. It is 63 here. So it is 63 here. If I just check it, let me just further check it. For the value of this here. 63, it is 63. Yeah, it is 63.24. Well, not 83. 63.24. 63.24. Yeah, 63.24. And reserve one column. Then mean difference of 2. Mean difference of 2 is 3. There is 3. It is 3 here. This is 63.27. 0 point something, because 1 minus 1 plus 1 0 point something. Now we have to find out what is the degree of this. Multiply this by 45 degrees. Why 45? Because 45 degrees is equal to 1. If this is equal to how many degrees? Multiply this. This will give us 100 degrees. Okay, in terms of degrees. 5, 7 is 35. 3 carry, 5 is 10, 13, 1 carry, 5, 15, 16, 1 carry, 5, 31, 31. Is it 31 here? Okay. Then 4, 7, 28, 2 carry, 8 and 10, 0, 1 carry, so 12 and 1, 13, 3, 1 carry, this is 24 and 1, 25. Then 5, 8, 3, 11, 1 carry, 7, 4, 8 and 2. 28 degrees. 4 decimal is after 4, so 28 degrees. It comes out to be, let me write here. It is 28 degrees. And multiplying by 6 here, that will give us 642. 4 carry 6, 4 is 24. 24 plus 4. 28. It is 28 minutes. Okay. 28 minutes. We can take 28 minutes here. 28 minutes. Okay, let us take now multiplying this by 2 because this is value of anti-log of this. Therefore tan b minus c by 2 equal to, sorry, b, this is value of b minus c by 2. Sorry. Therefore b minus c is equal to 2 into this, which is 2 is 56 again, 56 minute and 56 degree. Okay, so this b minus c equal to, and b plus c is equal to 133 degree. Therefore adding them twice b is equal to 56 degree, 56 sorry minute, and 6 plus 3 9 degree, 5 3 8, 189 degree, 189 degree and 56 minutes. Therefore b angle is equal to 2 9 the 2 4 the 8, 1 5 4 7 the 14, 94 degree, 7 the 14, and 2 8 this. It will be, if I divide by 2 here, it will be, okay, now, okay, 2 9 the 18, 2 4 the 8, 1 degree is left over, 1 degree means 60 plus 56. As much as there, 6 plus 11, 100 and this, dividing this by, sorry, multiplying this 1 degree is, dividing by this by 2. So this, if I divide by 2, it is divided by 2, 5 jump, and 2 8 is 58 it would be. It should be 58 minute views. Why? Because 1 degree was left, 1 degree plus 56, then we have divided by 2, which is 58 minutes. Okay, so angle B is equal to, let me write here, so angle B is equal to 94 degree, 58 minutes, 58 minutes. Okay, now C can be easily calculated. Right? What is angle C now? Sorry, angle B, it is angle C, therefore it's equal to 133 minus 94 degree, 58 minutes. It can be then 132 degree and 16 minutes divided and subtracted 94 degree, 58 minutes. It will be 0.2 minutes. And 12 minus 4 is 8, 1 carry 10, 31, 10 is 3, 38 on 38 degree, 2 minutes. This is angle C here. Okay, so all the 3 angles are now known. Now let me write here. Angle C is 38 degree, 0.2 minute. Angle B is this, and C, A is given 47. Alright, these are the 3 angles here. Angle C is known now. Angle B is also known. Angle B is this, angle C is this, angle A is given. So all the 3 angles are known. Only one side is left, is A. Let me take side A here. Now again, all these angles are not known to us. Right? We can just calculate them. 47, because A will not be calculated easily. Right, because cos of A, if I calculate, A angle is 47, which is not known to us. Okay, so what is the value of this? That is not known. Now let me take cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square divided by twice BC. Multiplying them, these values are very lengthy values. Okay, then leave it. We can calculate this by sine A by this and B by this. Okay, let me take this by sine formula. A upon sine A equal to B. If I take B upon sine B is this, so let me take C upon sine C. So this is A upon sine A is equal to C. C is 147 upon sine C angle, and C angle is 38 degree and 0.2 minute. Okay, so this value. Therefore, A, if I take A is equal to 147 into sine A, A angle is 47 degree divided by sine of 38 degree 0 to unit. Now we have to take the log of this. Therefore, log of A, log of small a, log of small a is equal to log of 147 plus log of a means log of sine of the value a is 47 degree, 47 degree. Okay, log of sine 47 degree. Now this, for this sine table is required. Then minus log of sine 38 degree and 0 to unit. And now the point is, how do we find out the value of sine 38 degree 0 to unit? Now these are to be taken from the sine table. Again, there is sine tables also given to us. The value of 47 degree sine 47, that we have to substitute and find the log of that, then this negative log. Okay, then we can find out a value. A is to calculate with the help of anti-log of this whole value. Okay, so these values, sine 47 degree, not known to us 45, we know that sine 45 is 1.2. What is sine 47 degree? Those values are to be substituted here. Okay, then it can be easily calculated. The only sine table we have to just check. Now this log 147 easily calculated, not a problem. Okay, so this I'll tell you later that what is sine table in that for sine 47 degree. Now only side A is to be calculated, then solution of triangle is possible. Okay, from sine table we have to calculate for sine 38 degree 0 to unit. If I just guess this, what the value of this with the help of angles, then also can be done for sine 47 degree. Okay, so let me just take sine 47 degree in case of sine, or 45 degree in case of sine is 1.2. You know that value of sine 45 is equal to 1.2. Therefore, this value 47 degree is what? It will be 47 upon. Okay, so this will be 1.45 degree into 47 degree. 47 degree will be some greater value. This is that value. In this way also we can calculate root 2 value is 1.414. That can be substituted, then we can divide it with the help of calculator. So this value will be there, 47 upon 45 into 1.2. 1.2 is 2 upon root 2 upon 2. Get out here root 2 upon 2. So root 2 upon 2. Root 2 is 1.414 multiplying 47 then divided by 45. 45 can also be written as 90 upon 2. That root 2 upon 90, 0.9 is written. 2 upon 90, it can be written as, this is 47 and 2. Okay. So in that way also we can calculate this simple value. I mean, this solution is that we can substitute the value of sine 47 degree, which can be found out. What is the value of sine 47? This is the value here. Then sine 38 also can be calculated in the same way. That 1.2 upon 45 degree into 38 degree 0 to unit. That value will give us this value. Then log of that value find out, and then log of, and then add these two values, subtract this value. Difference comes out to be the difference anti-log will calculate will be then calculated. Okay, so that is the process here. Let me take next question. So the next question here. Now question number 11. Let us take question number 11. Now in this case, okay, I'll take, if the same question, type of question comes next one, then we solve that. Okay, without sine table. Without any sine table, we can solve it. That's not a very great problem. Because we did this. So just, the process must be known to us, that how to solve these kind of questions. That is the process here. Change the marker. Okay. So the question 11, what does it say? What does it say? Question 11 says, 11th question. It says if A is equal to this, C equal to that, 50 degree, 48 minute again. Okay, if A is equal to, the process is same. If A is equal to 21.35, B is equal to 35.21, and angle C is equal to 50 degrees, 48 minutes. Alright, 50 degree, 48 minutes. This is angle C here. We have to then find out what is the this value. Angle C is given again. So here A and B angles are given to us. Angle C we have to calculate. It will be A minus B. Okay. Tan A minus B solution. So tan, since tan A minus B, capital A, upon 2 is equal to A minus B upon A plus B into cot of C by 2. This is A is that value 21.35 minus B is 35.21 divided by 21.35 plus 35.21. These values are there. Okay, into cot means 1.10. This is C by 2. Cot C by 2. Yeah, it is cot C by 2. So cot C by 2 is for 50 upon 48 upon 2. 25 degrees, 24 minutes. That can be taken. Okay. This is cot C by 2. Okay. Let us now solve it. So this is negative value in the numerator. Negative value comes out to be, okay, let me take 35.21 subtracted 21.35. 11 minus 5 is 6. 1 carry 4. 12 minus 8. 0.8. 1 carry. 5 minus 2. 3. 1. 13.8 negative. So minus 13.86. So by addition of this 1 plus 5 6. 2 plus 5 2 plus 3 5. 5 plus 1 6. And 3 plus 5 5. Equal 6.56 into 1.10 of 25 degree 24 minute. 25 degree 24 minute. Let me write this. This is sorry, 25 degree 24 minute. Okay, so this is value of tan A minus B upon C. This is this value. Now A plus B, we know that what is the A plus B. And the A plus B, this is to be calculated with the help of log of this. Log of what is 25? This is 25, 24 upon 60. 24 upon 60. You can write here. 5, 6, 10 times, 6 4 times 2 by 5, 25 and 2 by 5 degree. That means 25 5 jump, 125 plus 127, 127 upon 5. 5 2 is 10 and 5 7, 525 and 2. Okay. This is 127 upon 10 of this value. We can just calculate this value, that what is this 10 of this value will give us the numerical value. Let me just calculate that. Now 25 for 10 45 degrees is equal to 1. So this will be 25 degree 24 minute upon 45. But 45 is equal to 1. So 1 is equal to this. Therefore this value is equal to how much? It will be, but greater value. It will be greater value. 1 equal to 25, and therefore this is equal to how much? Okay, so this will be, because 1 equal to 45. No, we have to find out that what is the numerical value of this angle, which is this smaller angle. Now in case of 10, the value is increasing. So this is 1060 is root 3, it is increasing. So this means this is lesser value. Lesser value means 45 degree upon 25 degree upon this. The value will be not 1 but lesser value. So this is the same value here. The difference of this will be, okay, let me now calculate this, 45 degree. Therefore this equal to how much? 25 upon 45 degree. The 10 45 degree is 1 divided by 45 degree. Sorry, the greater value is, smaller value will be there. Less than 1 it will come out. For 25 degree 24 minutes we have to find out. But 45 is lesser than, so this value. Okay, now let me solve it. This is 25 from 127 upon 5, that is into 45. If I write it as 9, it will be 2. 127 into 2 upon 5 into 90. No change. Now let me solve it. It will give us in decimals. It will be 127. Okay, 2 7 is 40, 1 carry. We have 4 and 5 and 2. 254. Divided by 945 0. Okay. If I divide this and a decimal is here, count is cancelled out. So if I just divide this 254, let me take 254 by 45. No problem, because 9 is cancel, 9 to the 18. No, then the remaining value is 774. No cancelled out by 9. Not even by 5. No problem. Dividing it by, so this is 0 point something, because this is 0 point some value will come out. What is that? 45. Now 4 5 4 6 are 24. This is 4 6 5 times. Let me take 5 5 are 25. 5 to carry 5 for the 20 is 22. Alright. This is 0.5 times. The remaining value is 14 minus 5 is 9. So carry, this is 2 here. Let me take again 290. This is 2 25 45 is 6 times here. 6 times 3 is 6 like that 30 0 3 carry. This for the 24 and 3 27. 70. Alright. The 0 220 here, 200 again. With the again value, this is 45 to the 180, so 4 times. It is 4 times here. So let me write here this value. 5 6 4. 4 times it will be 4 5 20, 2 4 4 is 16, 18, 180 again 2 20 again 4 4. This is the value of this. Now we will find log of this value. So 10 45 10 25 degree and for 24 minutes is this value. Okay, so we have to write this value here. What is that? Minus 1 minus 13.86 divided by 56.56 into the division sign. This is 0.5644. Okay, now let us take log. So taking log of that value. Okay, so taking logarithm of these values. So this minus sign, log is coming as a negative value. If I take b minus a, then it will be b minus a here also. Because tan is positive. We can take this positive value. If I take b minus a here, it will be b minus a. Let me take here. It is b minus a. So it will be positive then. Difference is to be calculated. It is b minus a and okay, let me take this b minus a. But then it will be positive because log of n negative value is not calculated. That is not possible. Let us take this positive value. Therefore, 10 b minus log of 10 b minus a upon 2 is equal to okay log of sorry. So log of 10 b minus equal to log of 13.86 minus log of 56.56 minus log of 0.5644. Okay, this is 0.0 something, but it is minus 1, 0 minus 1 if we subtract, it will be negative value. That means decimal will be at point here, sorry, 0 point something, 0.0 something, that value will come out. So let us take log of 10. This value is 1 point something, and this is again minus 1 point something, and this value will be minus 1 bar. For 0 minus 1 is minus 1, that means 1 bar to point something. Let me take these values here. So that will give us the value of this. Now let me take here. Okay, so solution of this we are finding out. Okay, let us take therefore log of 10. This is now b minus a upon 2. It's not a minus b, b minus a. Log of 13.86. Log of 13.86 is log value. So it is log of 13th, okay, the 13th 8th column. The 13th 8th is it is 1399. It is 1399. It is 1399. The 13, okay, 1399 it is. Under 8 and 6 mean difference. Mean difference of 6 is under 13. Mean difference of 6 is 18 or 19. It is 19 here. Okay, 19 mean difference under 6 is 19 here. Let's put 90. Now 56 fifth column. 56 fifth column. This is 5. 56 is here. 56 fifth column is 7520. Yes, it is 75 20. 75 20. Yeah. 75 05 75 20 here. Okay, 75 20. 75 28 it is. Actually, the table is not so clear here in this printing page. 75 20 whatever that means. Okay, this is the value. Then difference 6 difference in this one 56, difference 6. 6 difference is 5 here, 5 here to be added up, negative value. Last one is under 56, fourth column, again 56, it is also 56, it is 56, fourth column, this is 75, 13, 75, 13 here, and fourth 3 added up, okay, with 3 values here. Now let's further solve it. It will give us 1.9 plus 9 8, 1 carry 18, 9 plus 1 10, 1 11, 1 carry 4 and 1. So 1.14 and this value, okay, minus 1.8 plus 5 3 13, 1 carry, 3 here, 5 here, and 7 here. 0.7 7533, okay, minus 1 bar 0.7516, okay, so this value is positive here, and 1 bar means we have to put the decimal sign after the one digit, 0 point something, 0.0 something, okay, so this is the value of angle B minus A we are calculating. Okay, let us take them further. Then anti-log we have to calculate. So these two values have to be added up. This is 1.2418 minus, if I add these two values, 6 plus 3 9, 1 plus 3 4, 5 plus 5 10, 0 1 carry, 10 plus 1 14, 1 15. That's 15, 5, 1 carry here, this 1, 0, only 1.50, 49. Okay, now subtract this. 1.14 is 1.8. Negative value, this is plus sign, this plus sign here. 9 minus 8 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 10 minus 6 is 4 is 6. 1 carry here. 5 minus 2 is 3. Only this is negative sign. 0.3631. Okay, so now let us take anti-log of this. Make it positive. Now this mental side is negative. Let us take it positive. Minus 1 plus 1 minus 0.3631. Okay, make it positive. This is 1.000.